You all give this video a big thumbs up because you will work real hard for this video. Back to my channel, y'all. It's day 2 of Vlogmas 2020 and y'all, I am so excited. Usually the first week of December what we start to do is try and clean as much as we could. So today I am going to be redecorating our kitchen. This is an apartment, so I didn't want to do anything permanent to the kitchen as in tiling and all those drama. So I came up with a cost-effective way to change the look of the kitchen without actually permanently changing the kitchen. So I went and I got some of these wallpapers. I got 5. You always see how it looks on the wall when I put it on. But yeah, I got 5 of these contact paper, and I have some spray-on glue. It's like Evo stick but in a tin. And because sometimes these don't stick as good as you want them to stick, so I got that. And I got this ugly looking, this is a microwave cover, but it's so ugly, so I'm going to probably repurpose it for something else. I'm not too sure what it's going to be, but yeah, I am going to repurpose this. I will put all the prices on the screen so you all can see. I also got these cute little kitchen towels. I got this one and this one, and I also got this and this one is 3, I think. Yeah, 3 different sizes, and then this one is just 2, but the texture of this one is kind of like microfiber towels, but this one is more like cotton polyester type towels. Then I also got this kitchen set. Okay. Let me take it all the plastic so you all can see it a little better. And it's a 3-piece set. I found the color was really nice. It wasn't too bright. It wasn't Christmassy. Well, I don't like to purchase Christmassy stuff. I don't know why. I just don't, because it's fall season, and then when you're in April, you're still with a Christmas mat. So I just get these. So it's 3. It's 2 of this. 1, 2, and then a long one. Okay, so this is a 2. Yeah, so I got that, and I am going to now show you all how the kitchen is looking right now, and then I will come back to you with how it's looking after I do the redecorating and all of that good stuff. So yeah. Okay. So this is how my kitchen is looking now. I do have a contact paper on my countertop, but I am going to get rid of this one and put on a new one. This one is brown, the other one is gray. And yeah, this is the space of my kitchen. Yeah, this is it. And now it's time to start cleaning the kitchen. Olia, pray for me. Okay, also I am taking a break from decorating. So I'm eating this. My husband got me this here because I had no time to cook, because I was basically cleaning all morning, trying to get the place clean before I start to do any work on it, because you don't want to put the contact paper on like dirty walls. It wouldn't stick properly, and who wants to do that? That's very nasty. So yeah, I'm going to eat now. It's around 4-ish. Where's my phone? I don't know. I think it's like 3:30 minutes or 4. I don't know. But it's around that time. I haven't eaten anything, not breakfast, not lunch, so I'm going to have this. Y'all are going to get hella gas tonight. I'm going to be real woman, but we're going to die life when you want to get something done within a day. So yeah, I'm going to eat this lunch here, mid-afternoon lunch, and then I'm going to get back to decorating the kitchen, redecorating the kitchen. Yeah. Olia, I am done. I am sweaty. I want to go and bathe. I hope you all give this video a big thumbs up because you will work real hard for this video. But yeah, I am going to show you the end results of what I did to the kitchen to just switch up the look a little bit. So make sure to leave a comment down below scale of 1 to 10 compared before and after. How did I do? And I'll see you in my next video. Okay, so just to remind you all how the kitchen looked before, this is it. So here is the final look of the kitchen. Okay, also this is it here. So first, well, this is my wall, my contact paper countertop, and then we move over to in the corner here. I don't know if you all noticed, but in the previous clip they did not have this. So what we did, I had well, this here is actually like a bookshelf that I had while I was going to Costard. So I repurposed it and make like a stand for extra countertop space for my kitchen. And I took out one of the shelves because they had all the way down. So I took out one of the shelves and I put them here. And my husband got these things and did that. So yeah, so I have this shelf now. It's also wallpapered in the same pattern as this one, and these two as well. Then this is the wallpaper that I chose. I was looking for a type of mini tile black backsplash type wallpaper, and this was the closest thing that I got to it. And this is it here. This is my, and it runs all the way across to the door. I also got these kitchen mat that you all saw. Here is not an actual curtain, you know. This is you know, this stuff that you would find in like nurseries, like just to kind of give some separation to like certain parts of the nursery. You can see the ABC, whatever, y'all. I did not have a curtain to match because we budgeting. I did not have a curtain to match these bluish grayish wallpaper, so I had this extra cloth just lying around, so I stitched it this way. I purposely stitched it to leave this amount of space because I don't want to actually open the curtains, but I still want the light to come in, so that is why I did that. See the extra piece lapping over here. So I did have extra piece, I just chose to stitch it like that so the light could come in to the kitchen without me having to watch this. It's just bush, so yeah, without having to, you know, see all of that outside there. But yeah, this is my kitchen, y'all. How do you think I did? I didn't take out the hand towels yet because I still have to wash them before I start using them, so it's there. But yeah, this is basically it. Let me know how I did in the comment section, and see you in my next video. Bye.